Hello all. In this tutorial we will see how to create an i3 transfer scripting to automatically copy the files within the i3 controller to the PC where the i3 transfer is installed. First let us go through the i3 transfer scripting. So this is a tutorial, i3 transfer scripting tutorial, which will guide you through various commands in the script which you can try and implement in the script. So first you can see, say, for changing the working directory, so which will be different folders. If you do have many folders within the i3 controller, you will be able to actually see and move from one folder to the other, so you'll be able to actually retrieve all the files or delete all the files and things like that. This is changed to the parent directory, so where it is the folders are from originally. This is for deleting some files, so you'll be able to actually use this command space with the file name, and you will be able to actually delete the file name with the files. You will be able to, in the local LCD, you will be able to actually change the local directory, and in the next commands you do have to make a new local directory. You will be able to use this command. To list all the items which is there in a directory, you will be able to use the list command. You will be able to make a new directory, so to create the new directory you will be able to actually use this, or to simply quit from the logic, you will be able to use the quit command. And the next one is if you would like to actually rename, then you will be able to actually use this command along with the space, the old name and the new name, so you'll be able to actually use that. Retrieve, so RETR, so you'll be able to actually use this command, and the space, the file name, you'll be able to retrieve the file name. Remove a directory. Store, so basically we will be able to store the data as a file in the remote device, so you'll be able to actually use that. So open connection, say this is the first command which you need to have, so the controller will be able to be communicating with the i3 transfer script. So that is the open command for. And the next one is the get. So get is just a while character. Basically you will be able to have get star.star, and it will get all the files in with that within the directory, or you will be able to use something like get s question mark. So it will just look for that particular pattern, and it will get all the files within that file name pattern. So that's the first one, so about all the commands. And then you will be able to run the script at a scheduled time every day or on a specified day. So you'll be able to actually use in this brackets the time and the minute, so the hour and the minute, and then you can have brackets. You'll be able to have what are the days which you would like to have it, and then you will be able to actually use it. If you do not need any particular schedules being working on a particular day, you will be able to actually use a hyphen, and it will do that. And so that is basically about different commands which we have. And next thing which we will look is how to do the scripting. So the script should be saved onto the root directory where the i3 transfer is installed, so you'll be able to actually see it here. And this is one of the example of a script, so it is a script.txt, and so that is my file name. And so basically I am saying open, so I am basically opening the port, the IP address, and what mode it is, and timeout time. And here I am having the get star.star, and I'm just quitting it. So here I'm just defining the time, so what's the time at which I would like to have the script running, and this is basically the days which I would like to have it running. And so that's the first thing. And then what I can do is I need to actually have this script running at a particular instance. So basically I need to actually create a shortcut from within the folder. So you simply right click and send to, and here you do have desktop create shortcut. So you create a shortcut, and in the shortcut you right click and click on properties, and here in the target what you have to do is until this you will have the standard and from that point what you have to do is you have to, at the very end, you have to have the script name in double inverted commas, and here you do have at the end hyphen silence, so it will not actually show any windows or anything like that. Silently it will do it at the background, and then you will be able to actually see a log file here. So basically you double click on that. Let us just change and just create a new schedule, so 1606. So I'll do it for 1607 and save it, and basically I can close this, and I can, so this is the file, so that is all saved. And then what you need to do is you simply need to double click on this file and have the shortcut file, and it will execute that command, and then you will be able to say that it is actually creating. So at when the time is 1607, it will 1607, which it has already completed, it will actually create a file, so you'll be able to actually see 1607, and it will create a file, so you'll be able to see a log file as well, and it will do all the functionalities. So basically here you will say, okay, retrieve all the files have been done, and then it will quit it, so you'll be able to actually see individual commands and what's the response, and here you'll be able to actually see all the files have been transferred. Thank you for watching this video.